class. Our Unity install is finished, so I'm going to open it. And if you remember, I checked the standard assets example project to be downloaded with Unity, so I have that option, so I'm going to open that project. It needs to be updated because it is not the same release as the newest release of Unity. I've opened it already, so mine might open a little faster than yours did. Now, when it opens, I see Unity here in front of me, and this is the standard layout or default layout. Up at the top of the screen, I see the name of our scene, the name of our project, our menu bar, toolbar, our hierarchy view, which shows us objects and assets that are part of the current scene. Then we see our project tab, which has information about different pieces of our projects and assets that are involved in our project. And depending on how the developer organizes their assets, hopefully they'll be nicely set up like in this project, where we have many different asset groups and asset folders so that we can locate our different assets. Over on this side of the screen, we see the inspector view. This is a very important screen. It'll show us all the characteristics of the objects that we're working with in our game. So if I click on this car object, I'm going to see that this is the car body, and the transform tells me the position of this item. Mesh renderer tells me it's going to be, rendered as part of the scene with a different shade, all sorts of different information that I'm going to see in the inspector. So we refer to the inspector often when working with our projects because that's where we can update variable settings and all sorts of things. Now up in the middle of the screen, I see the scene view where all the objects are that I'm working on as part of this scene within this game. And then I have the game view tab. If I click on the game view tab, it gives me a few options for if I click on the play button to test my game. I can choose that I want it to maximize when I click play. Oh, I think I'm going to mute the audio. And I'll try playing it. We should be able to move around. I'm doing WASD. I think I'm going backwards. I'm not going to let you laugh at me. Okay, so you can try it out. If I want to stop playing, then I can click the play button again, and my game view will recede back to just the middle of the screen. And so take a look around your Unity windows and notice what all you have going on. We have a lot of different tools available. Now if we want to rearrange things, we can grab tabs. Maybe I want my project scene there, make my console go a little over here or something, down here, and maybe I want to do some different things. If you work with your scene layout and you find a way you like it, you can use this layout drop down to save your current layout. It'll pop up like this and just type a name and save it. Or you can use some of the custom predefined layouts. The 2x3 shows you your game view and your scene view. You can use 4 split, and this shows you many different perspectives of your scene view. As you're working on things, you can get things exactly the way you want. We'll be working with the layers option quickly. Our account stuff is just telling us how we're logged in and about our licensing. We have some collaboration buttons and some cloud saving that we'll try to do as we put our items on GitHub. Now, this was the sample project that was downloaded with Unity. You could try some additional sample projects, some demo things, if you use Window and go to the Asset Store. I think I'm going to set my view back to the default layout so that I can see that Asset Store. Maybe I'll open it again. And the Asset Store connects to the internet, and you can try some different things with it. You can maximize it also and look around. But if you look at the asset store, you can find all sorts of different example projects, as well as things that you can buy. I guess different pieces of games that would help you. That's totally something that's just up to you. You can download some of the different optional games that are included in the Unity tutorials if you like, but we'll be creating some ourselves in the next video. So I'll see you then.